Okay, let's discuss who is this course for. Mastering Java Full Stack Development. Mastering Java Full Stack Development course is designed for individuals who varying levels of programming experience, who aim to become proficient in both back-end and front-end development using Java technologies. This course is suitable for This course is for beginners with little to no programming experience. And what I mean if I say beginners with little to no programming experience, it starts with fundamental Java concept, making it accessible for those who new to program. This is the course for intermediate Java developers. It offers in-depth backend development with Java, diving into frameworks like Spring and Hibernate, providing a comprehensive understanding of server-side programming. This course is for front-end developers wanting to learn back-end development. What it means? For those experienced in front-end technologies but looking to expand their skills to include back-end development using Java. This course is for students or professionals seeking full stack expertise. What it means? Individuals aspiring to become full stack developers, capable of handling both the front end and the back end development using Java technologies. This course is for Java developers seeking specialization. What it means? For Java developers looking to specialize in full stack development, this course provides the necessary front-end skills and their integrations with the Java backend technologies. This course is for career switchers or tech enthusiasts. What it means? People considering a career change into software development, particularly in Java-based full stack roles. They can come and join this course. The course aims to cater to diverse learner by progressively covering fundamental to advanced topics, incorporating hands-on project and providing a comprehensive understanding of Java's role in full stack development. It equips students with the skills and the knowledge necessary to build robust and scalable web applications using Java technologies on both the front end and back end. Okay, now we know who is this course for. So learn Java and be happy. Okay, thank you.